Welcome to RTX 2101 and 2801 Display Section Installation Training. To install a section, first remove the beverage shroud, then install the provided M12 lift eyes with the holes parallel to the display face. Verify cabinet clips are installed in the correct locations and orientation on the back of the section per the contract-specific shop drawing. Lift the display section into position using either a spreader beam or chains with a minimum angle of 45 degrees between each line and sections. Center the cabinet on the wall with the cabinet clips hooked on the wall channel pins. Lift and install adjacent sections into position on the wall clips. Remove the module column to install the supplied M12 interconnect hardware. After the adjacent section is mounted, install the third locking pin into the wall channel to lock the cabinet sections together and preen the cabinet from lifting off the wall channel. Install the supplied 1/4 inch self-drilling screws to limit side-to-side movement, driving the screws into the wall channel from each side until the screw tip touches the cabinet clips.